Erie County leaders have given local districts the green light now to implement test-to-stay programs in schools. Based on guidance from the CDC, students who are close contacts to a positive COVID case will be tested each day before school. Those who test negative can remain in the classroom. The Grand Island School District oversaw a test-to-stay pilot program for Erie County earlier this month. District officials say it has helped them keep hundreds of students in the classroom after only a handful tested positive. Tonight, reporter Jocelyn Person explains how the county and districts will work together to get the program up and running by the time students return to the classroom next week.
Test to stay that I think everybody's been waiting for, to see our students and staff be able to remain in the classroom if they don't have any symptoms of COVID-19 after they've been exposed.
Now the Erie County Health Department is ready to work with schools in the county to implement the initiative.
Not every school may be eligible or interested. First of all, to the schools to be eligible, since they're going to be having to do rapid tests in the school, they're going to have a limited service license and a medical director and be able to report the test results.
Dr. Bursing says schools are responsible for making sure those positive would get tested every single day during their quarantine period before walking into the classroom. She also says schools would need to get consent from parents to enroll their child in the program. Just recently, the Grand Island Central School District was used as a pilot program, and the superintendent says they've administered 264 rapid tests. Only 2 came out positive.
Equate the 262 negative results into hours of instruction, and those hours of instruction equate to 1,572 hours of instruction that allowed students to stay in school as opposed to being quarantined at home.
Graham encourages other school districts to jump on board.
In Monroe County, and their results are very similar to ours. So I think that's why the CDC has looked at that national data.
And if a child needs to be quarantined at home and is required to attend class, Graham says at his school district, they handle it differently.
If they're in the elementary school, we will assign them to a virtual teacher who will provide 1 hour of instruction each day. At the secondary level, it's 2 hours of instruction. We just need to be able to offer families options. Families feel empowered when they have options. So now with Test to Stay, it's another option.
Now, the superintendent says when students return back to school on Monday, the Test to Stay process will continue. Reporting live in Newsroom, Jocelyn Person, 7 Eyewitness News.